So, this is part 2 of my realizations and benefits if you are a BPO agent. So, next is we are trained to organize our tabs, multiple tabs, efficiently and effectively for a smooth resolution. Okay? Kasi meron niyang average handling time yung mga BPO agents, guys. Dapat in 11 minutes and 11 minutes and 40 seconds na resolve mo na yung concern ni customer. As quick as you can. Okay? And then, meron yung particular na holding time. Yung holding time lang talaga namin is dapat mga nasa tawag na yung mga 1 minute and 30 seconds. Hindi dapat lumagpas ng 2 minutes. Okay? Unless if sabihin ni customer na, take your time. Pero huwag naman abuso. Okay? Pero, talaga natin maiwasan na ganun talaga, mapapalong talaga tayo. Lalo na kapag ang napaka-rare ng concern ni customer and ayaw mo siyang bigyan ng bad tawag dito, bad news kasi wala. Bad news talaga kasi kailangan nyo maghintay. So yeah, you need to also really know how to do a positive scripting. Okay, malalaman nyo yan. Positive scripting means you need to know how to deliver a bad news per in a sandwich method. Like bad news, good news, bad news, good news, but always end it with good news. Okay, use the right words and maraming mga content creator na marunong mag positive scripting. So panoorin nyo lang sila kasi I'm still working on that. Next is, yun nga sa mga tabs, is marami talaga kaming tabs bill. Lalo na kapag yung customer is naka-family plan, okay? Tawag dito, marami kaming account yung OpenB. Para lang, lalo na kapag transaction or payment yung kailangan namin i-link yung mga transaction number, eto nabayad na, eto, ganito, ganyan. I-open talaga namin lahat. Mapupuno na talaga yung parang sa line doon, ganon, kasi sobrang dami. And kailangan mo din i-organize yung utak mo, okay, etong part na to is sa anak niya to, eto naman sa wife niya. Kasi kapag nagkamali ka ng pindot dun, B, at naggulo mo yung account ni customer, B, mag-VVIP ka talaga. Mapapagalitan, makukull out ka ng client. Ganun. So, please be careful of that. Next is, as a PPO, this is on my own perspective. I am trained, okay, I don't know with other agents, I am trained to be a Girl Scout ever since nung nasa school pa ako. Girl Scout na talaga ako. I'm the type of person na materialistic ako, pero I make sure that the materials that I buy is magagamit ko. Like, if ever merong makapanood nito, tapos mga senior high school classmates ko or mga junior high school classmates ko, for sure, ang una na lang sasabi sa akin, si Claire, yan yung namin, yung walking national bookstore. Kasi ayoko talagang incomplete ako. Ganun din ako sa BPO. I'm really a Girl Scout. Meron ako raincoat, meron akong payong. Okay, naka-lunchbox ako, gusto ko nakatipid. As in, marami akong backup plan sa mga backup plans ko. Okay? Kasi, ayoko yung dependent ako sa iba. Kasi, yun nga, I am the eldest. So, wala akong masasandalan. Ako lang talaga. And, yun. Bili ako ng mga bagay-bagay. Pero make sure ko naman na nagagamit ko talaga siya fully. Okay? So, I'm ready, rain or shine. But, in case if I really feel na meron talagang danger, like super baha na, tapos dito na yung baha, or lagpas ulo na, kahit sabihan man ako na na kailangan mo magtrabaho, kung hindi, NTE kita, sige, NTE mo ko, wala akong pakialam. Okay? Kasi, alam mo yung mga TL na, concern pa din sa stats, kaysa sa buhay mo, tapos sasabihin nila, ang work-life balance, like, what the? Ang contradicting. Okay, like, I'm not gonna use that one. Ako na nga lang yung sinasandalan ng pamilya ko, tapos ipapahamak ko pa sarili ko. Paano ako makaka-earn? At paano ko ma-maintain yung stats ko? Kung na-shoot ako sa kanal, nagkaroon ako ng leptospirosis, nagkasakit ako. Ikaw ba as my TL, as my OM, as our client, as our employer, kapag nagkasakit ako, or let's say tuluyan ako, lalamay ka ba? Okay? Ikaw ba yung maaagrabyado kapag, tawag dito, hahatid sa akin sa ER, magbabantay sa akin sa emergency room? Hindi, B. So, you need also to really think kung hanggang saan extent, parang relationship lang. Okay, parang relationship lang yung work. Okay, give and take kayo, pero you need to leave a percentage for yourself. Huwag mong ibuhos lahat, or huwag kang magpakamartir, or maging super slave sa money. Okay? Kailangan ka din magtira sa sarili mo. Okay? And safety first. No matter what, that's my non-negotiable. Safety first. Kasi alam ko, kapag may nangyari sa akin, manghuhugas kamay yung mga top management. So, wala naman talaga yung pakisabi. Wala talaga. Kahit sabihin na mag-flowery words man yan. No. Okay? There are a lot of hypocrite people in the BPO industry, guys. Okay? And as much as I don't want to be hypocrite, pero for sure, sasabihin na ng ibang tao na, ikaw din naging hypocrite. Okay, okay. I do understand wala naman talagang perfect na tao. That's reality. So, lastly, okay, if ever meron ako maisip, may part 3 tayo dito. Okay, next is, we are trained to manage our emotions well. Angelic voice rather than angry voice. Kahit dinidegrade na yung dignidad namin ng mga foreigners, kausap namin, kailangan pa rin namin maging angelic. Kailangan pa rin namin maging professional. Kahit pagka-mute, i-mute namin, ginagano na namin yung customer. Ginagano na namin yung monitor. Tumatawa na lang yung TL namin. Sasabihin ng TL namin, kaya mo yan. Ganun kami. Like, imbes yung customer yung aaway namin, yung monitor yung inaaway namin, guys. Ganun. If ever tao yung monitor, feeling ko, mababasag na lang siya kasi sa dami naming mura na nasasabi sa monitor. Ganun talaga yung reality, guys. As in, merong mga customer na sasabihin na, all Filipinos are dumb. All Filipinos does not know how to speak English. Ganun, kahit sila lang naman yung hindi nakakaintindi ng terms and conditions. Okay? Tapos, merong iba, check out, tapos hindi nagbasa ng, ng eligibility ng promotion. Let's say, merong promotion na phone and plan. Okay, phone, tapos 12 months, let's say 12 months, 10 gigabyte per month na plan. Ganon. Tapos kailangan pala siya na mag-port in ng phone number, check out lang ng check out. Tapos, ang gusto niya pala is, tawag dito, is wala naman pala siyang ipoport in na number. New number pala para lang sa anak niya. Oh. Kapag magbibigay ka pa ng resolution, ikaw pa yung mali. Kahit hindi sila yung nagbasa ng check-out terms and conditions, ganun. Like, tamad yan sila magbasa, Tapos they're gonna use it against you kasi sabi nila, maliit kasi yung font ng ganito, ganyan, kasalanan nyo to kasi nagfa-false advertising kayo. And syempre, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na you did not read it, so it's your fault. Hindi mo pwedeng ganunin. Dapat akuin mo yung pagkakamali nila. Ganun talaga sa BPO, So that's reality. And I'm not scaring you, but that's reality. I'm gonna hurt you with the truth rather than comfort you with a lie. So if you want to know more about BPO that other content creators are not telling you, then just follow me for more videos and kita kits!